Hello viewers, welcome back to Saril's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a different and unique recipe, that is egg with green peas. Let's see how to prepare it, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. To prepare this, we need to prepare a ground paste. So let's roast chilies, coriander seeds, peppercorns, fenugreek seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and then roast it. Once it is roasted, grind it to a fine paste, adding water. Now to the same pan, add onions, cloves and cinnamon, garlic and cumin seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and then fry it until the onion turns light brown. Add these fried onions to the ground paste. Make sure the chili paste is finely ground. Now take a kadai, add oil, and to this add onions and saute it. To this add tomatoes and continue frying. Here you can see the fried onions are also ground together with the chili paste. Now to this add half a cup of coriander leaves and once again grind it. Grind it just for 1 or 2 seconds. Once it's done, add the paste to the fried onions and tomatoes and mix it well. To this add salt as per taste, and fry the masala at least for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Add turmeric, and give it a good mix. Now close the lid and let it boil at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the masala is completely cooked. To this add boiled peas. Here I have boiled the green peas in pressure cooker. Before that we need to soak it for at least 3 to 4 hours. You can take even the frozen peas instead of this dry ones. Now mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. The green peas is completely mixed with the ground paste. Now it's time to add the boiled eggs. Here I have boiled the eggs and then slit. Cover the eggs with the cooked green peas. This curry is really very tasty and yummy. Definitely you will like it. Now add coriander leaves. Close the lid and just cook it for 1 minute. So the tasty and delicious egg with green peas is ready to serve. You can serve this with idli, dosa or chapati or anything of your choice.